Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Ford Transit door handle. Begin by parking on level ground and disconnecting the battery to prevent electrical issues. Remove the inner door panel carefully, noting fastener locations and clips for reassembly. Keep bolts and clips organized in labeled containers. Inspect the latch and lock rod connections before installing the new handle to ensure smooth operation and correct alignment. Gather your tools and the correct replacement handle for your Ford Transit before starting. Use a trim pry tool to prevent damage and a magnetic tray to keep screws safe. A 10 mm socket and Torx set will handle common fasteners, while a flashlight helps inside the door cavity. Confirm the new handle's rod clips match the originals and test fit outside the vehicle to avoid surprises during reassembly. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful repair guides. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It offers voice control and smart mapping that saves you time after a messy repair day. It's a handy companion for workshops and garages. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Start by lowering the window slightly and removing door panel screws and trim pieces. Carefully lift the panel to release clips and unplug any switches to access the inner door. Disconnect the lock rod and unbolt the handle from the exterior side, keeping track of clip orientation. Fit the replacement handle, reattach rods and connectors, and test the latch and lock functions before refastening the panel and trims to finish the job.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.